So today I'll be showing you how to enable or disable automatic updates on your LG C1 or C2 Smart TV. So first step is go to settings by pressing on that settings icon or button on your remote, and the settings menu appears on the left hand side of the screen. So go to all settings, click on that, and then under all settings go to support, click on that, and then under support go to software update and click on that. And here, as you can see, the auto update option is turned off. Click on turn on, and once you do that, your TV will be automatically updating to the latest WebOS version. Now, if you don't want that and you want to manually install your updates, then you can turn this off from here. And that's it. That's basically how to enable or disable automatic updates on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.